Okay guys, what's happening? We are at Barrett-Jackson. We are with the 2020 Supra. So this thing has a turbo 6 in it that produces 335 horsepower. It has perfect 50-50 weight distribution and also rear-wheel drive. You can't get much better than that. Hardcore Supra fans weren't super happy when it came out, but when we saw it unveiled here last year, we were blown away. And watching them do this on this track right now, it makes it even better. One of the things that I absolutely adore about this car is that it shares the same underpinnings and the same drivetrain as the Z4, BMW Z4, because they're basically built side by side. However, Toyota's done an excellent job of making it their own, making it personalized to the Toyota experience. On launch, the Supra is going to have 3 different trim levels that you can get. You can get the Launch Edition, which is all of the ones that we have here, come with the red mirror caps, red interior, absolutely gorgeous finishes on this car. You can get the 3.0, which is the base, and then 3.0 Premium, which is that little step up that gives you a little bit more creature comforts. But they all come standard with automated braking, with lane departure assist, with keyless entry. Like it's basically the car that you want today, because you know you can go and get an M2 competition. However, it doesn't look this good, and also probably doesn't go like this either. Okay, so we got Max here. He is one of the drivers at the Thrill Ride event. Number one question: how many of these rides do you think you do a day?
Per driver? I think we're in the triple digits easy.
Triple digits, and that's each day?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So how many tires do you think you're going through a day?
I mean, now that we got a little bit of water on the ground, you know, kind of keeping the temps on the tires down, we're probably going through, I bet 2 sets of cars.
2 sets of tires.
3 sets of cars.
A day.
Just that water kept the temp down a little bit more.
That's so crazy.
For us.
So and the biggest question, how do you like the car so far?
It's awesome, man. It's like clay in your hands. It's balanced. You know, it kind of does whatever you want it to do.
It's good.
It makes me look very good. Let's say that. Yeah, it makes my job very easy.
Well, that's really good. Well, there you have it. We're gonna go for a quick ride now, and we'll see what happens.
All right, let's do it.
All in all, we are huge fans of the new Supra, and we want to thank Toyota for having us out to play around with it. Hopefully we see you next year.